Kana.
Tangad daw, tangad. Tangad. Kilig-kilig. Yak, sabi pa. Yak, ano ang sadali niya? Gado, na, ano kagabi mo? Buli na. Ha? Buli na? Kain? May. Nina, magkaon ka muna luto. Kaya bawal baga, bawal tayo makulugan tiyan. Dali, man! Mareklamo ang good ini. Masabaong ka ini. Sabaong na. Naintindihan mo ako, Dere. Okay, daga. Luto na ini? Oo. Okay, daga. Sinibawang ko nga ni. Kay, sabihin dyan sa bawang ko nung. Kaya di na kao na. Abo ko mahan. May sabaw. Bawal! May kapita mo? Sabi, panganak ko. Tubentar mo.
Sir Fred, come on, let's eat. I'm with my sister's home. Get over here. How are you? I'm with my sister's home. Come on, let's eat, Sir Fred. Thank you for joining. 2 million in the house.
Nalimutan niyo ni Ivan. Ano ka din? Nalimutan niya Ivan. Nakaon ka sa dami ko pala. Mag-usa ng manok.
How's my husband? My hubby is he's the rest. The rest because he need to rest. He sleep. We're different, we are different time, so that's why when I wake up, he going to sleep. My hobby, it's Friday. Oh my God. I see your post, Sir Fred. He sent you the money, but he sent me a lot. Sorry. I'm illegal. Charot. Hi, Mystic Mirage. Hello. Thank you for joining. Thank you to those who lurking. Thank you so much. Hi, Sir Caleb. Have a nice day, Sir Caleb. Come on, let's eat. What do you call this? The rice, the fish. Very small fish. Huh? Hi, Sir Cal. Thank you for joining. Hi, Cheryl. How are you? Hi, Sir Caleb. I'm fine. I'm here at my sister's home. So that's why we get sister's home at the rice farm. So that's why I'm visiting here. Look, the ducks. The duck. Oh my God. Look, the ducks. Hi. I didn't understand the one Arabic. So that maybe you need to translate it in English. Hi, Sir Fred from Caleb. Oh, ducks. Awesome. I want ducks. A lot of ducks here. A lot of ducks. Chicken, the roosters. Oh my God, the pigs. How are you, Sir Caleb? How are you po?
Maintindihan mo ako, Dere.
Dire.
Ewan mo man ako intindi yun. Kung naintindihan mo ako, naintindihan mo ako. Abo mo ako intindihan na. Intindihan mo ako? Naintindihan mo ako, Dere.
I'm sorry. Ducks, you can have balut. I'm not eat balut. No. I'm Filipino, but I'm not eat balut. Yeah, sorry.
Bakit why are you crying ba? Nainit ko.
Ano? Lol. Yeah, I don't eat balut. Na. Nanang gusto. Nanang gusto.
Kapasali nga niya. Nakatupag ka rin yung baduyan.
Aray.
Salong.
Lol. Ala.
Mali ka doon.
Nagkukulungan sa'yo. Dili pwede yun na magurang sa imo nag-iirog kason. Baga na spoil na. Oto ha. Ang anaan manini ka.
Ito nga ni Janet.
Maski ako tunguhan ko. Na-spoiled man ina nga naan manini.
Yan naman. Eh, pero pwede yung ganito tawag niya. Ama, yung na yan.
Yung papasensyaan siya kay mga lalaki ano na ka. Kaya
Nahulog din naman. Ito si Kuya Antoy. Pag wala din ko yung papa niya titunguhan ni Kuya dyan. Sabi din.
maski ako ada tunguhan ko ada.
Matagal din lahat yung si Gio nang sabi.
Mm.
Ibaliban na ay.
Fred always said I would try anything once. Not sure on balot, yeah. Yeah, never. I never try on balot. No. No. Yeah. Hello, beautiful. How are you doing? Nice to see you again. It's always pleasure to see you. It's John Boy Opal King. John Boy. Thank you. Always John Boy. I've been around Philippines since 2010 and I won't try it. Aray ko. No need to try, Sir Fred. No need. That's not required to try. Because I was born here in the Philippines and no. Oh my God. A Pinay that doesn't like Balaya. No, I don't. Never. I'm not try. I don't want to try. Oh my God. Oh.
Nahulog din din ha.
Let's wrap it up. What? I always tell my wife, let that poor duck go. I don't want to try the balut.
Ayan, dyan na.
Yeah.
Sabi nga, wala na. Mayapin ko.
Thank you for the like, Jamboy, the Opal
Ano,
King.
yan, malibukod man.
Pusaka, hi Pusaka. Thank you Pusaka. Why won't you eat it, sir? Oh my God! I see the what looks like what I see the balut, what it looks like. When I open the balut when I'm kid, I Pity. Ew. Oh my God. Ah. No. Jesus Christ. No. My goodness. The little chicken. Right. Ang balot ko na kung nagkakain. Abo ko talaga magkaon sa balot.
Maman ako.
I don't want to try.
Ayaw ko na yung magkatulo.
She showed the dax a sono porn. Yeah. Oh my God. Yeah. Oh. Why? I don't understand why they eat balut. Just close your eyes. Oh no, even I close my eyes. No, never. Yeah. Disgusting. Hey, hello. From Sir Fred. Oh my God. No, happy ka?
Sarap-rap.
Yes, the filler and bake looking. Yeah, something like that. My goodness. Yeah. Emo. Oh my God. Yes. Oh my God. Yucks. Do you eat? No, I'm not eat balut. It's true color. Yeah. Wala, di lang sa Pilipinas. Baby yaks, the baby duck. Too much baby. You know what the fetus of like the fetus of the balut. My God. Yes, but not much. My God. I'm laughing so hard I'm about to fall out my old man chair. Sir Caleb. Hi, James Round. Hi, Sir James. Hello po. How's your lunch talking about balot? Oh my God. I can't finish my kuwan because I remember when I opened the eggs, when I opened the balot, I see the eyes of my God, the heads of one. Oh my God, it's no, it's not. No, the food is good here, but when the balut is not, it's not a kwan. Oh, yes, the feeder. The feeder is when you see when you see the heads of the ducks or the chicken. The eyes. Oh my God. Just close your and chew it. No. Ja. Ew. Shucks. Oh my God. Oh, chef, no. Oh, chef. They. Oh. Even put lots of vinegar. No. Put lots of vinegar and salt. Cheryl not hungry. No, I'm not hungry. I'm fine. I'm fine. I eat a lot of foods, kind of foods, but I don't want to try the balut. No. Eyes are good. No! Yucks. Eyes are good for you.
Tutok ka.
Ah, shit, the eyes. I love, yeah! I love her faces. Wow! Dad!
Ha?
Oh my God.
Pinasiri naman, mainit na.
Oh, makapaya ako. She looking at the eyes and saying, please, no." I don't want to try. I felt pity of them eating balot. Pity. Oh my God. Diyo na lana. Dagan na lana.
Ano ang tawag yun? Lana mo pa. May tula ka rin.
Oh my God. Fred from Circali. I pretty much eat a lot before snake, dog, frog. Huh? I pretty much eat a lot before snake, dog. Oh my God. Oh. Huh?
Wait, kumaon ka daw.
Different shit, yeah. Yes, different shit. Shit. Oh my God. Oh my gulay. Oh shit. Oh my God.
Banana.
Snake, dog, cats. What's that pusaka? Here, some here in the Philippines, most of the province, they eat the dog, the snakes, the kwan, the frog.
Mona.
Yeah, they eat. And it's called a kwan. Exotic food. In my grandma's province, yes. Living in the province, they eat like that. The frogs are from the kwan, from the farm, like this, the rice farm. Clean frog, not like the frogs, like the skin is clean, something like they eat that. And a different kind of frog they eat. But not like the frog that dog tastes like goat. Yeah, but oh my God. Oh. Oh wait, Sir Fred. I feel headache. Maybe I will do it later.